Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. So now in this video tutorial we are going to learn that what is guest post in link building. So there are many blogs and websites that allow posting your contents or blog to their website. So in that blog you can incorporate links to your websites. So guest blogging is the quick and effective method of targeting new audiences by publishing blog articles on relevant and well-known websites. You will get your content in front of new readers and win more discoverability of your website. So apart from backlinks, you will also be able to increase online reputation and followers for your social media assets also. So this is basically a large platform in which you can grow your website as well as your social media accounts, as well as you can become popular by guest blogging. So how to find such websites? So the first step to find that websites that accept guest blogging, where you can submit a strong blog article that adds value to the readers and at the same time encourages them to click on your links and land on your website. So you can find such websites by following the steps that I am showing you right now. So first of all, open the Google Chrome browser and then here type the your keyword for which you want to write. For example, I want to write on digital marketing, and then here comes the trick. Now type here plus and here write guest post. Okay, so just type in plus and now hit enter. So now you would be directed to the SERP and in the SERP you will see various. Now you can see this is the website that is for guest posting. And how can you know that? You can see here guest post, and wherever you see guest post, that means that the websites accept guest posts. But make sure that your articles or your contents are original, professional and relevant to your audience. So you can hire a professional content writer also if you want. So now you can see that this is a guest post acceptor website, and this is also guest post, and this is guest post. This is also